In this video, you'll learn how to build an AI chatbot using Lovable. This guide will provide a step-by-step approach to creating your chatbot effectively and efficiently. Start by opening a web browser and navigating to the Lovable website. Type lovable.dev into the address bar and press enter. Once the page loads, you should see a welcoming interface that invites you to explore various options for chatbot creation. Next, look for a message that states "got an idea?" This will be prominently displayed on the homepage. It indicates that you can start brainstorming your chatbot's features and functionalities. After that, locate and click on the home option in the main navigation menu. This will take you back to the primary interface where you can initiate the chatbot creation process. Now in the search bar, type "create an AI chatbot" and press enter. This action will prompt the system to search for templates and resources related to AI chatbots. You should see a list of options displayed shortly after your search. Once the results appear, look for the option labeled Exploring AI Chatbot. This selection will guide you through the basics of chatbot functionalities and features. Continuing on, select the Evaluating AI Chatbot option. This will provide insights into assessing the capabilities of your chatbot, ensuring it meets your expectations and requirements. Next, click on the Reviewing AI Chatbots option. Here you will examine the chatbot's design and interactions to ensure it aligns with your vision. After reviewing, select the option for Reviewing AI, Chatbot and Components. This step allows you to delve deeper into the individual elements that constitute your chatbot, ensuring every part functions cohesively. Now, look for the option labeled Click on Chat AI or Prompt to add more features. This action will enable you to customize your chatbot by integrating additional functionalities that enhance user experience. Once you have made your selections, wait for Lovable to generate the app. This process may take a moment depending on the complexity of the features you have chosen. A loading indicator will typically appear confirming that your request is being processed. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.